Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampore. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all in this very important session. What we have planned for you based on geometry with the initials of lines and angles. With the initials of lines and angles. So come on, do join. And once you join, please do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining as well. Please, once you join, do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining as well. Okay, so I think I would be clearly audible and visible. I would be clearly audible and visible. We are going to begin today the geometry with the part 1 of lines and angles. With the part 1 of lines and angles. Okay, good evening, Srivani. Lines and angles. So we are going to tackle the questions based on lines and angles in today's session. Then we are going to move ahead with our geometry journey. So please do the sharings as well. Okay. Good afternoon, Srivani. Good afternoon. I hope every one of you is absolutely great. Absolutely great, guys. Okay. Keep it up. Keep it up. So we are beginning with lines and angles. I'm discussing only the very important points. Okay. The points which are, hello Ram, very good afternoon. If the two lines are parallel, if the two lines are parallel, and there is a transversal, then this angle theta and this angle are called as corresponding angles. These are called as corresponding angles and they are equal to each other. So if this is theta, this is also theta. Guys, in a straight line, total sum of angle is 180. So if this is theta, this is 180 minus theta. If this is theta, this is also 180 minus theta. So can I say they are also equal to each other? They are equal to each other by the property of corresponding angles. Okay. Now, so one thing what we learned today is corresponding angles. This is theta, this is also theta. They are being called as vertically opposite angles. And they are also equal to each other. Similarly, this is also 180 minus theta. And this is also 180 minus theta. Vertically opposite angles. Sum of two interior angles inside the parallel lines is a adjacent pair. Sum of two interior angles inside the parallel lines is a adjacent pair. Clear? Okay. So let's try to apply them in few questions, then we will come back again. MN is parallel to PQ. If this is 100, this is also 100. Corresponding angles. If this is 100, this is also 100. Corresponding angles. Okay. If this is 100, this is also 100. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Hello Priyanka, good morning. Two lines are parallel. Two lines are parallel. And their interior angles are. And their angles within them are 100 and X. Can I say adjacent pair? Can I say adjacent pair? So 100 plus X. 100 plus X should be 180. Or you can say X is equal to 80. Now, if you are a great fan of corresponding only, if you are a great fan of corresponding only, then if you are a great fan of corresponding only, then if this is 100, if this is 100, then this is 80. And 80 and X are also corresponding, so X is also 80. So X is also 80. So only corresponding angles are also sufficient to answer this particular question. Only corresponding angles are also sufficient to give this particular answer. Let's move on. Try to do some wonders. Try to do some wonders, okay? Now this is the line parallel to these two lines. Yeah, this is a line parallel to these two lines. Yeah. So if two lines are parallel, then adjacent angle pair, 110. So this is 70 to make it 180. To make it 180. If this is 120, then this is 60 to make it 180. To make it 180. So what is angle AEC? Angle AEC is 60 plus 70, that is 130. If this would not be given as well, if this line would not be made in the question as well, then also we need to draw it. If the question would be only like this, if the question would only be like this, that this angle is given as 110 and this is 120 and this is being asked, then also we need to draw this line. This much construction we need to do. Getting my point? If this line would not be drawn as well, if this line would not be given as well, then we need to do this construction. We need to draw a line parallel to both. So in that particular case, again this will become 70, this will become 80, 60. So their sum is 130. So their sum is 130. Clear? Let's move on. Some theory for you. Very brief kind of theory. Two angles can be here. Not two angles. It's supplementary angles. And complementary angles. Okay. So guys, if alpha and beta are supplementary angles, then their sum should be equal to 180 degree. And if alpha and beta are complementary angles, then their sum should be equal to 90 degree. If alpha and beta are supplementary, their sum is 180, and if they are complementary, their sum is 90 degree. Okay. So you will say, sir, supplementary angles can also be called as linear pair. Supplementary angles can also be called as linear pair, because if the sum is 90°, this means both the angles are lying on a straight line. If the sum is 180°, this means both the angles are lying on a straight line. So their sum should be equal to, they can also be called as a linear pair. They can also be called as a linear pair. Why linear pair? Because they are lying on a linear straight line. Okay. And how the angles are complementary, we have read in the trigonometry as well, that when the sum of both is 90°. Is it absolutely clear, bacha? Is it absolutely clear? Come on, do tell me. Perfection. So wherever it would be required, guys, to give you a lot of theory, I would be taking that opportunity, but with the questions only. Next. A and B are supplementary angles. A is greater than B by 1/5 of a rectangle. A and B are supplementary. A is greater than B by 1/5 of a right angle triangle. A is greater than B by 1/5 of a right angle triangle. A is greater than B by 1/5 of a right angle. Yeah. So A minus B is 1/5 of a right angle. So A minus B is 18. So A minus B is 18. A minus B is 18. 1/5 of a right angle. And A and B are given supplementary. So their sum is 180. So their sum is 180. For A, add both the equations. 2A is 198. So A is 99. Absolutely clear? Absolutely clear? Clear, guys? Especially the new ones. A is greater than B, that is A minus B is 1/5 of a right angle, and A plus B is already supplementary. That is why I've taken them equal to 180°. So it got out. Next. Great. Angle is greater than its complementary angle by 30°. Okay, understand the language very clearly. Angle is greater than its complementary angle by 30°. So one of the way is, sir, if alpha and beta are complementary, then alpha minus beta is given as 30. And since they are complementary, so alpha plus beta is 90. This is given in the question. And this is because of complementary. This is given in the equation, and this is because of complementary. Add both equations. Angle is greater than its complementary angle. So B is the complementary part. A is what is being asked to us. Yeah, this is being what is being asked to us. Yeah. So we need to find out the value of alpha. Adding both, 2 alpha is 120. So alpha is 60 degree. However, you can do it by single equation as well. You can do it by single equation as well. Let's see how. Let the angle is theta. What is its complementary? 90 minus theta. So theta is greater than 90 minus theta. Theta is greater than 90 minus theta by 30 degree. Answer. Single equation. Single equation. Got it? Got it? Clear? This is with the help of two equation solutions, and this is a single equation solution. Angle greater than by its complementary angle. Angle greater than by its complementary angle by 30 degree. Yeah? Cool. Let's move on. Let's move on. Read it very carefully. Read it very carefully. Lot of information is there. Lot of information is there. Some lines are given parallel as well. Some angles are given. Find the value of x. Some lines are given parallel. Some angles are given. Something is given. Something is being asked. So overall a good mixture. Overall a good composition of a question. Angle bad. Angle bad 70. Angle ABD 40. What is this? What is this? 110, remaining is 70. 110, remaining is 70. 110, remaining is 70. Angle ADC, total. Angle ADC, total, is given as 85. 85. So this is 15 to make it 85. So this is 15 to make it 85. This is 15 to make it 85. Okay. Angle BCD is given 80. Now. Ready? Ready for the surprise? Ready for the surprise? BCD. BCD given, guys. 80. Okay. This is 80. This is 15, 85, 95. After 95, 5 is remaining in 100, then 80 is remaining there. So this is 85. This is 85. This line is parallel to this line. These two lines are parallel. If two lines are parallel, guys, and there is a transversal between them, then they are called as alternate interior angles. they are called as alternate interior angles, and they are also equal to each other. They are called as alternate interior angles which are in the shape of Z, which are in the shape of Z, or this here, which are in a shape of Z, the reverse one or the correct one. They are called as alternate interior angles. What are being called as alternate interior angles? Alternate interior angles. However, you know guys, their origin is same. Their origin is same. Their origin is same. Like I can derive it as well. You will say, sir, this is theta. Then this is 180 minus theta. If this is 180 minus theta, this is also theta. If this is 180 minus theta, this is again theta. So this theta is equal to this theta. It's only a matter of name. It's only a matter of name. Otherwise, we can already derive it. Okay. So alternate interior angles, if this is 85, this is also 85. So it's a name only, guys. It's a name only. However, the concept is same. However, the concept is cool and clear to all. Ram, it is clear to you as well now. You identified your error. You identified your error. Everyone identified their errors, guys, or not? Great, 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 great. Very good, guys. Keep it up. Very good, keep it up. Let's move on. M is the midpoint of YZ. Very good, yaar. If M is the midpoint, what a brilliant point. Angle XMZ is 32. XMZ. Angle XMZ is 32. Very good. Keep it up. Angle XYZ is 16. I need to take a bit of triangles. I need to take bit of triangles, guys. Make the heading triangles. Make the heading triangles. Yeah. Make the heading triangle. In any triangle, guys, in any triangle, sum of all angles is 180 degree. In any triangle, sum of all angle is 180 degree. Okay. Sum of angle A plus sum of angle B plus sum of angle C is 180 degree. We are reading it from our childhood. We are reading it from our childhood. Yeah. Now, this is called as exterior angle of C. This is called as exterior angle of C. Okay. Exterior angle C is equal to exterior angle C is equal to what? If this is exterior angle, this is interior, or you can say 180 minus angle C. 180 minus angle C. Yeah. 180 minus angle C, guys. And from this equation, angle A plus angle B is equal to angle 180 minus C. So 180 minus C is equal to angle A plus angle B. So exterior angle C is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Exterior angle C is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Clear? exterior angle C is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Cool and clear? Exterior angle C is 180 minus angle C. 180 minus angle C, and angle C is nothing but angle 180 minus C is nothing but angle A plus B. So exterior angle C is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Come on back. That was 32. This was 16. So this should also be 32 minus 16, 16. 32 minus 16, 16. If angles are equal, then the side opposite to them are also equal. If angles are equal, then the side opposite to them are also equal. If this is the midpoint, midpoint also divide the side into two equal parts. Midpoint also divide the side into two equal parts. Is it clear to all, bacha? Is it clear to all? Come on. Is it clear to all? Any issues whatsoever? Any issues whatsoever? Till now. Guys, have you ever seen a semicircle? Have you ever seen a semicircle? Ever? Have you ever seen a semicircle? This is center, this is radius, this is also radius, and this is also radius. So diameter subtend 90 degree at the center. So diameter subtend 90 degree at the center. We have read it in our basic classes as well. So this total angle should be 90 degree. This total angle should be 90 degree. If this is 90, this is 16. If this is 90, this is 16. The remaining is 74. 180 minus 90 minus 16. 90 minus 16, 74. Cool and clear? Otherwise, I will take up another ways as well. Okay? The another way to approach this is, sir, these two sides are equal. So angle opposite to them are also equal, theta and theta. And now this is a complete triangle. So 2 theta plus 32 is equal to 180. 2 theta is equal to 1. How much, bacha? 148. So theta is 74. You got both the ways? Priyanka, you got the second way at least? 32. This side is equal to this side. Assume this angle as theta. If two sides are equal, then angle opposite to them are also equal. So assume them theta and theta. You will say, sir, 2 theta plus 32 is equal to 180. So 2 theta is 148. Theta is 74. Chalo, great. Second, we will develop in second method we will develop when we read the triangles. Yeah. Second method we will develop when we read the circles. Yeah. Okay. Chalo, cool and clear. Pretty easy. Quickly like and share the session as well, guys. Quickly like and share. Each and every share and each and every like is important. Each and every share, each and every like is important, guys. Angles are known. What is the value of x? Pretty easy. 3x plus 2x minus 7 plus 4x minus 11 is equal to 180. 9x minus 18 is equal to 180. 9x is 198. X is 22. Pretty easy, pretty easy, pretty easy. Ram, how can you do error here? Oh my God. Have I done it? Have I done it? That would be a blunder. Guys. Oh ho 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 ho. Guys, because of your answers, I was cross-checking it. What happened to you? This is one angle. This is another angle. This was another angle is equal to 180. 9x minus 18 is equal to 180. 9x is 198. X is 22 degrees. You made me cross-check, bacha. Please don't do this. Huh? Don't do this. Read it very carefully. Read it very carefully. Yeah? Read it very carefully. Nothing, no big knowledge is being used. No big knowledge is being used. It's only the use of basic things. It's only the use of basic things. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC. Okay, very good. BD is perpendicular to AC. BD is perpendicular to AC. So make a perpendicular, guys. Make a perpendicular. E is a point on BC such that BEA is equal to X. BEA is equal to X. Very good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Angle EAC is known as 36. Angle EBD is known as 40. What is the value of X? You do it. Is the logic is appearing clearly to you? Is the logic is appearing clearly to you, guys? Is the logic is appearing clearly to you? Very focused mind, guys. Very focused mind. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Perpendicular means 90 degree. If one is 90, another is 36, what is the remaining? What is the remaining? To make it again 90? So I think 54. 54. If this is 54, this is also 54. By the property of vertically opposite angles. By the property of vertically opposite angles. If this is 54, this is also 54 by the property of vertically opposite angles. Now this triangle is complete. Now this triangle is complete. 54 plus 40 plus x is 180. 94 plus x is 180. So x is 180 minus 94, which is I think 86. Please do watch out, guys. Any issues, tell me. Please do watch out. Any issues, tell me, guys. Any issues, tell me. Only the information about the perpendicular is being used. Only the information about the perpendicular is being used, nothing else. Pretty easy. Pretty easy. Okay, Priyanka has given it. Ram has given it. Angles is in the ratio 5:6:7. Angles is in the ratio 5:6:7. So what is their sum according to the ratio? The sum according to the ratio is 11 plus 7, 18. 18. Actually the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 1 is equal to 10 degree. So 1 is equal to 10 degree. Difference between the greatest and the smallest. The difference between the greatest and the smallest according to the ratio is 7 minus 5, 2. But since 1 is equal to 10, so 2 is equal to 20 degree. Answer. Pretty easy. Guys, pretty easy. Good. Let's move on. Read it carefully. Try to do it carefully, guys. Try to do it with a lot of care. Try to make the correct diagram. Try to read the terminologies better. Try to read it correctly and accurately. Try to read it correctly and accurately. Okay. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, D is a point on BC. D is a point on BC, such that angle BAD, is half of ADC. So can I say ADC is double of BAD? ADC is double of BAD. So if BAD is theta, then ADC is 2 theta. Wow. From the property of exterior angle, if this is theta, if this is 2 theta, this is theta, then this is also theta. What is the logic? Sum of two interior should be equal to exterior. Sum of two interior should be equal to exterior. Great. Great going. Now, angle back known, angle C known. Angle C known as 70, 45. And angle back. Back means angle B. Angle B known as 77. So this can also be find out. This can also be find out. 180 minus 45 minus 77 is your angle B. 180 minus 122, that is 58 is your angle B. 58, 58. What is the remaining? What is the remaining? 122. After 122, do watch out, guys. 180 minus 45 minus 77 is 122. So 180 minus 122 is 58. This angle is 58. This angle is 58. So 122. 122. And so what is this? What I'm doing here is I'm doing some error. No, here. It can't happen. It can't happen. Okay. Okay. They are asking the ADB. They are asking the ADB. They are asking the ADB. Okay. They are asking the ADB. Yeah. It's absolutely correct. Angle ADB is 180 minus 116, 64. Perfect. Or you can do like this as well. Or you can do like this as well. Since you got to know that theta is 58, since you got to know that theta is 58, this angle is 180 minus 2 theta, 180 minus 2 theta, or you can say 180 minus twice of 58, or you can say 180 minus 116, 64. Is this better now? Is this better now? Once you find out that this is theta and theta is equal to 58, this is 180 minus theta, 180 minus 2 theta. Because if this is 2 theta, this is 180 minus 2 theta. As simple as this. As simple as this. Let's move on. Looking pretty easy. Looking pretty easy. Sum of two angles of a triangle is 116 and their difference is 24. Adding both, 2 alpha is 140, alpha comes out to be 70 degree. If alpha is 70 degree, what is the beta? The beta is 70 plus 46 is 116. 46. What is the gamma? Since it is a triangle, since it is a triangle, so the smallest angle is 180 minus other two, which is 180 minus 116, 64. Which is the smallest? Beta is the smallest. Which is the smallest? Beta is the smallest. Gamma is not the smallest, beta is the smallest. If their sum is less than 120, it automatically says that the third angle should be greater than like 60. Once it is known to you that alpha plus beta is 116, it is also known to you that gamma is 64. It is also known to you that the remaining angle, third angle, is equal to 64. So there is no need to find out like this. Yeah, there is no need to find out like this. If it is already known, that the sum of 2 is 116, it automatically says the remaining third angle is 64. So remaining third angle is 64 and we have find out the 2. So now we can judge that which of the following is the smallest. Which of the following is the smallest? Is this point clear? Is this point clear? From this equation only, guys, you need to write down the third angle. This is an important point. This is an important point. Okay. Well done, Pragati. How much is the time? 47. So this we will take up in the next class and we'll discuss it. We'll discuss it with the theory. We'll discuss it with the theory, guys, in the next class. So the point is that if you have not downloaded the app as of now, guys, of the Exampur official, you should be downloading it. And what is the step 1 of downloading it? Go to the Play Store, search the Exampur official app, install it, open it, register with the credentials, name, date of birth, age, password, phone number, state, city. Register. Once you are registered, guys, start using it. It has huge benefits. Yeah, it has huge benefits. If I can show you some, okay, that is not there today. It consists of guys. It consists of live mocks. It consists of live mocks, practice quizzes. Then it consists of, guys, along with live mocks and practice quizzes, it also consists of subject wise and topic wise quizzes. Yeah, subject wise and topic wise quizzes, and free PDF. Yes, Badal. Yes. So this is the homework for you. We will begin the next session from here only and we'll move forward with some of the most tremendous questions. And begin, guys, with some of the most tremendous questions tomorrow as well. So take care of yourself. Have a great time. Okay. And before going, please do not forget to like and share the session as well with your friends. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.